And seriously, if you don't make your own chicken broth at home, you are missing out. Perfect. This will finish frying up really soon.